Are you looking to start an online business? What's holding you back? The money? Or it's very complicated? I got you, because in this video, I'm going to give you 5 simple online business ideas that you can start right now, without any money. So it will be simple and you will not need any money. So no more excuses about, hey, it's complicated, and no more excuses about, I don't have the money to spend on starting. Hi, my name is Faith. I'm the founder and CEO of Digital Space Kenya. I help startups, small and new business owners be bold, be authentic, and build magnetic brands. Let's get started. Number 1, offer your skills as a service. So for example, you are good at video editing, you're good at running operations, you're good at project management, you're good at administration. Offer those skills as a service and charge for them. Okay, if you already have these skills, then I don't see how you're going to spend any more money. You just need to put yourself out there. And I'd recommend LinkedIn a lot. I'd recommend Facebook groups a lot. I'd also recommend using platforms, how they call, like freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer. There's so many out there. Like, just Google freelance platforms, and I'd recommend using those ones to start offering your service. But my biggest recommendations would be LinkedIn and Facebook groups to just get your clients. Okay, and when you go, don't spam people. Don't just blog, hey, I'm looking for a job. No. Yeah, start by building a relationship, and then slowly introduce yourself, and share with them what you do. And the best way to introduce yourself is to optimize your profile. If you go to, I'll put my LinkedIn profile in the description box, and if you don't have an idea of what optimize is, you can just have a look of what I've done with my profile, just putting in what I do. That way, when I message someone and the first thing they go is on my profile to see what I do, then they're able to get in a nutshell what I do. Okay, and also on Facebook groups, look for maybe 3 or 5 Facebook groups that have like a vibe of the type of people that you think you want to work with and offer value. So when I say offer value, I mean like when someone asks a question in the group, be the one answering. And the more people connect with you, the more people know you, it's easier for you to reach out and say, hey, I saw you're looking for help in this and this, I can help. Do you want to schedule a call and let's discuss and see if you're a good fit? Okay. Number 2, create and sell a course. This has become a very common thing. It's called infopreneurship, where you just offer information around different topics that you're really good at. My only issue with infopreneurs is they just borderline start becoming, like those people who oversell on something that they don't even know how to do it, or they don't understand it, because you're just offering information. I think my issue with it is, before you offer information, let it be like, at least you also have an idea of the actual thing, how it's done. So like, for example, when you tell someone start offering a service online and you've never really offered it, I kind of don't know. Just have that have the proof, okay? Have the proof that this thing actually works. So for example, when I tell you start offering a course online, I've worked with a lot of business owners whose niche was specifically online course or selling online courses. So I know it works. So it may not be that you have done it, but you know people firsthand that have done it, or you've been involved in projects that do it. So when you start offering information, at least have some credibility, have some, what do you call it? I'm just trying to draw the line between people who start just offering vague information out there, copy pasting other people's resources and offering them as their own information. Okay, so anyway, create a course and sell it, and you can sell it on a lot of different sites. Like there's Teachable. I think they have like a free version where then they charge you when people buy the course, I guess. And then there's also Udemy. Those are the 2 that. Oh, there's Skillshare also. You can create a course, and so just, there's so many, and Google is your friend. If you want to make money online, darling, Google is your friend. You're gonna Google so many things. There's so much information out there. There's so much, and Google knows how to figure out what you're looking for. So for example, if you just Google online courses, it gives you all the information, even start suggesting for you like what to look. So yeah, just Google some of these things if you don't understand. And also, if you have very specific questions that you think I can answer, put them in the comment section below, and yeah, I will answer for you. So yeah, you can make Google your friend, but also make me your friend, because I'll answer them for free, right? Yeah, so you make me your friend, ask me those questions, and I'll answer you, and make Google your friend too, because Google knows way more than I do. So that's really good. Number 3, host paid webinars through Zoom calls, and this is still also under infopreneurship. So you're hosting, instead of like now, the thing about creating a course, it might take some time, right? It might take some time for you to record and edit and all those things. The thing I love about hosting webinars on is because it's just on spot. Okay, you do your setup and then advertise it on social media. Tell guys, hey, so I'll be doing a free session on how to start making money online, if that's what you want to do, or how to draw using watercolor, something like that. Where did that come from in my brain? Anyway, yeah, so whatever you're offering. And I'd recommend, if you don't have, because right now, for example, you can do it on Zoom, but Zoom has that thing where you can only do, I think, about 45 minutes if you're on the free version. So what I use is, you can use Hangouts. Yeah, I think Hangouts can give you way more time. So yeah, you can do like an hour session or 30-minute session or 45-minute session, depending on the content you have, and pay for it. Like, ask people to pay for it. Okay, so you can charge like something small just to start creating the rhythm. And this is the thing, when you're starting, it will be harder, but the more you do it, the more it gets better. Trust me, it really does. I mean, I look back at when I started working online, and there are a lot of times I'm like, I'm done, but then I pick up myself and keep doing it. And nowadays I find it to be more spontaneous. I'm not saying it's 100% easy, but I just find the process to be more spontaneous, and I don't struggle as much as I used to struggle when I was starting. Okay, so yeah. Number 4 is create videos on YouTube. Everyone is on YouTube right now, and this is the thing. Initially, and I know a lot of you also think so, used to think that YouTube is against me, they don't like, not against me, but YouTube don't support and stuff like that. But the more I've taken time to study YouTube and learn, these guys are on business, right? So if you are releasing authentic content that your viewers are watching and you're getting good traction, then they don't have a choice. Okay, they don't have a choice than to put you out there. It's like a business partner, and you're in this partnership with them, and they make money by the viewers that come to the site. So if viewers, your audience, show interest in what you're doing, then they don't have a choice than to put more of your content in the face of the people of the audience. Okay, so don't be discouraged. Oh, YouTube is hard. Well, it's hard because how many YouTubers are there? So many. How many content creators are there? So many. So you're gonna be competing in like a sea of, I don't know, and then you're going to be probably competing with someone who just sits in front of a camera and laugh, and because either they're a baby or they're such a charming personality, people just love them and they have a lot of subscribers. But because maybe your personality is not as charming, so you may not really have that many subscribers. But hey, keep doing what you do, keep creating those videos. And the funny thing about creating videos today is you can use your phone. Literally, this is a phone. Okay, this is a phone, guys. This is the phone I'm using. You can use your phone and create content and put it out there. You'll just need to learn a little bit on how to edit. Yep, gotta edit. Okay, so yeah, just create YouTube videos and be consistent. I think what I've seen work for a lot of people that have been part of their journey on YouTube is consistency, putting videos consistently out there. And it may not start making money tomorrow. Trust me, it's not. If it was that easy, I mean, the whole world would be doing it. So it may not start making money tomorrow, but just like I told you, YouTube is a business, and if your videos are getting traction and people are watching, then they're going to put more of your content in front of people, and the more they do it, then the more you get traction, and the more you, so just like I'm doing this video and I'm like, hey, if you're watching this video, then you probably like it, share it, okay? Help YouTube put it in front of other people so that more people can watch and more people can subscribe and more people can like. So yeah, that's really how that works. And the good thing about YouTube is then you can again use it to leverage on offering a service, your skill as a service. So for example, I use YouTube to give free information to people who want to start working online or start an online business, and I also use it to give information to small business owners and startups, and my idea is I give this free information and hopefully get people who are interested in working with me, and then we can see if we're a good fit and work together. Again, if you're looking for someone to help you with your digital brand strategy, check the link in the description box below. You'll find a link, schedule a call. Let's see if you're a good fit. Let's see if I can help your business, and let's get this ball running, okay? And then number 5 is affiliate marketing. Again, if you're already doing YouTube, then affiliate marketing really comes naturally. Actually, what I've even seen right now is people that are offering courses and information on products also do affiliate marketing. So for example, someone has built a website and then they've used like Elementor. So Elementor offers you an affiliate link, right? So when you're offering a course, then you can put your affiliate link as part of that course, just to suggest, because there are people who will be doing your course and they're like, hey, how did you set up your course? So I use WordPress on Elementor on WordPress, and here's the link, and things like that. And if you're doing a YouTube video, then you can maybe link your affiliates in the description box below. And what I love about online is people are just looking for authentic people that they can trust and connect with. So honestly, I feel like if I give you value over and over again, you'll get to a place where you trust me, and anytime that I probably recommend something that you are already looking for, I'm not trying to manipulate anyone. I'm not trying to tell you to manipulate your audience or people to buy. I'm just saying, if for example, I was sharing something right now about a website and you're in a season where you're looking for a website, the chances that you'll go purchase it because you've had me say it is so high because you built that connection with me, okay? So do affiliate marketing. There are a lot more. Again, as I say, Google is your friend. So just go Google how to make money online. You can just go and Google online business ideas without money, and you'll get a lot of people talk about this thing, okay? The ones I shared with you is the ones that I have seen work personally. I have either done them, especially the offering of a service. I've also done a little bit of selling a course, and I've also done a little bit of affiliate marketing. So that's why I decided to share the ones that I've seen to work, but I know there are a lot of other ideas. So get trying. Please share how it's going for you in the description box below. And if you're a business owner and you're looking to just get started on building your digital brand strategy, and you don't have the money to invest in a professional yet, then definitely also check the description box. You'll find a link, and you'll find a link to a free PDF that will just be guiding you on how to start building that brand. And if you're a business owner that already has a budget, trust me, it's not a lot of money. So if you already have a budget, then definitely reach out to me, and let's see if I can be part of your business and support your journey through digital branding strategy. Until next time, be bold, be authentic, and build a magnetic brand. Bye-bye.